Okay, we have another health case which happens about last month. Okay, this is also a very critical situation. Now, in this case, let me go through them with you. So we have okay. Usually, when somebody asks us about health issue, we need to see a few things, only a few things. We don't have to see too many things. In fact, sometimes we don't really have to see what are the illness of this person. For example, in this case, the student asked the grandmother last night has come to the hospital because of the illness. So if she asks if the grandmother is able to overcome this, apology for the English because it's from another students who is a Vietnam student, so English not so good. So anyhow, uh, how do we analyze this situation? Few things first. First, go straight to the answer. The answer will give us a big picture of what is really happening now. A big picture when we don't know what's really going on. So the question asks if the grandmother is able to overcome. That means probably this person is going to die. We don't know yet. But next, we have to see the year stamp of the person. The year stamp. Where is the year stamp? The year stamp is 1935. Okay, so based on 1935, we have to plot another chart to insert the 1935 and see what is the stamp of this lady. So 1935, let me plot that because I didn't plot. This is very fresh case. So 1935 is a E, Y-I-E. E is over here. This is a grandmother. So this is the answer, which is over here. So the next thing we need to see is where is the health, which is the problem star. Automatically we go into there. Okay. So this is the entire health situation. So generally, basing on such kind of question, I would not even go and go to box number 2 and see, okay, the parents, what are the illness, what are the body parts, what is the pain about, or what is the run about, etc., etc. In terms of what is the illness, because we go straight to the question: is the grandmother able to overcome this crisis? So, big picture. There's a few things that we need to look at. First, the problem star is the key indicator. Does the problem star clashes with the death door? Does the problem star clashes with the injury? Or does the problem star clashes with the dispute? Dispute more to the mental issue, but in this case, it's not. So I don't care about that one. I skip. Next one, does the problem star clashes with the person? So the person, first thing first. Problem star is 2. Here. Earth, water. The problem star clashes with the person. What does the problem star clashes with the person stand for? Automatically, we are saying that problem star, if clashes with the person will not be able to recover. Okay, automatic. When a problem star clashes with the person, that means 100% clashes with 100% of energy, it will be the person will not be able to recover from the illness. That means there's an illness already. So which means that this chart is already telling us that the person is not able to recover from this thing. That is the big picture that is telling us. Second, of course, we can always go through all the energies, okay? But in this case, I don't really see much differences. But of course, if you want to see, this is a run over here, energy here, also very high. Box 2 energy is 200% because of the run. 子丑寅 here overflow goes up additional 200% become 400%. So which means that this particular box 2, we have a 400% energy. Just basing on the box itself, we have a 400%. If we look carefully in this symbol, we have a death situation. Death, earth and earth, double. 400% become 800%. Death door is 800% situation. Nine heaven also happening. Producing. So the whole box, at least 800%, sorry, 400% of the energy of the entire box is producing 100% over here. So, and the death door is at 800% situation. So in fact, after analyzing all this, I would not want to even go to the other things already. I would say, be prepared and hope for the best. You see, so this is for this case. I skip everything, you know, because the rest are not important anymore. Of course, we can look at what is being, what does E and E stand for. But seriously, it doesn't really make a difference because the whole thing is clashing with box number 1. And this is also a full yin chart. So full yin chart, most of the people understand that is a long and draggy, painful situation. Full yin chart, one of the other meaning for health is this illness has been around very long. Okay. That means this grandmother who is admitted to this hospital, the illness itself, it does not just happen now. It has been there for a long time already. So that is what the full yin chart stands for. Okay. So after that, I just told the students, you know, just pray hard. Nothing much can be done. You see, so just hope for a miracle. Then just to share with you what's really happening, we have this is the message given. So my reply, but you know, since very long, only can pray and hope for a miracle. That's the message. Then I was informed that the grandmother passed away already. Okay, and the illness has been there for a long time. Okay, this happens about somewhere around a few 1-2 weeks ago. Okay, any question for this?